how much should you actually spend on a power tower? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Sportsre's Power Tower. First up is the Sportsre's Power Tower pull-up bar station, priced at $189.99. What caught my attention is its sturdy build, which can support up to 450 pounds. If you want a reliable option for serious workouts, this is worth a serious look. The longer base design grips the ground firmly, which is critical if you're pushing your limits with pull-ups, dips, or leg raises. And it accommodates users from 48 to 66 with 6 height settings, making it great for everyone at home. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky and taking up more space than they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your workouts, that size translates into stability and durability, which is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that grows with your family's fitness journey. Skip this one if you want a lightweight, portable option, but for the price and performance, it's a solid investment. Product number 2, Sportsre's Assisted Power Tower. Next up is another option from Sportsre's, their Assisted Power Tower priced at $349.99. What caught my attention here is its unique assisted pad feature that helps you complete pull-ups more easily. If you're looking to level up your strength training, this could be the one for you. The assisted pull-up bar includes a high-density sponge pad that provides resistance support, making it a great choice for beginners or those working to build their upper body strength. With an outstanding stability rating and a load capacity of 440 pounds, you can train with confidence. The adjustable armrests and push-up handle make it adaptable for various workouts, fitting the whole family's needs. However, some users mention that the assembly can be a hassle due to the parts involved. But honestly, once you get it set up, the workout potential is impressive and well worth a bit of extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who wants a little help getting stronger. Skip this one if you're an advanced user looking for a straightforward pull-up bar without the extra features. Product number 3, Sportsre's Triangular Base Power Tower. Now we have the Sportsre's Triangular Base Power Tower, coming in at $229.99. It caught my eye with its unique dual triangular base designed for maximum stability. If stability is what you're after, this is a great choice. With 6 adjustable height levels, it really can cater to everyone in the family. Plus, the ergonomic design keeps your elbows safe during workouts, which is a big deal if you're training hard. Some users have said it's a bit heavier to move around, which could be a downside if you plan to reposition it often. But the trade-off is that its weight contributes to its sturdiness during workouts, which is what many serious users appreciate. This is perfect for you if you want a stable workout station for the entire family. Skip this one if you need something ultralight and easily movable. Product number 4, Sportsre's Compact Power Tower. Next up is the Sportsre's Compact Power Tower, priced at $149.99. What really surprised me about this one is its compact design, which doesn't skimp on performance. If space is a concern for you, this is a strong contender. This pull-up bar has an impressive 360 pounds load capacity, thanks to its thickened steel structure. With 8 adjustable height levels, it can accommodate many different users, making it versatile for family use. However, some reviews indicated it might feel less sturdy for heavier workouts compared to heavier models. But honestly, for a compact unit, I think it holds up quite well, especially if you're looking for something that fits easily in a small space. This is perfect for you if you're limited on space but still want a solid workout. Skip this one if you're looking for a gym-quality beast that can take a beating. Product number 5, RELIFE Power Tower. Last but not least is the RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Power Tower, retailing for $129.99. I was drawn to its incredible value for money and sturdy design. If you're on a budget but want quality, this one's definitely worth considering. This power tower supports up to 400 pounds and features a robust build with safety lock nuts and suction cups for added stability. It offers multiple exercises, including dips and knee raises, which means you can target various muscle groups effectively. Plus, you can adjust the height to fit users of all sizes, making it ideal for family workouts. Some users have pointed out that it might not feel as durable as pricier options. But here's the thing, for the price point, it delivers solid functionality and is perfect for those just starting their fitness journey without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that still delivers on performance. Skip this one if you want a heavy-duty, commercial-grade machine. To wrap it up, we've seen some fantastic options today. From the sturdy Sportsre's Power Tower to the budget-friendly RELIFE model. Each one has its strengths tailored to different needs. Whether you want maximum stability, assistance for pull-ups, or just want to save space, there's a Power Tower here for you. Happy lifting!